Ho ho ho! Are you ready to make your own little Santa that gives you a gift? Today we are going to make a fun Quilling Santa Claus. So here we have home cut pieces of Santa Claus. We will start by sticking all these pieces together. Firstly, we will stick all the smaller parts on Santa's body. We will stick Santa's bag behind him by sticking these two circles on each other and then Santa such that the X's are on top of each other. This will help us have some extra support where the paper fastener is going to be attached. Now we have attached the Santa's bag on the Santa's body. Now we will stick other parts on the Santa's arm. Now we will stick the beard and the fur on his face. To give some sturdiness to our Santa, we will paste a stick behind him. The stick may take few minutes to dry. Let's keep this aside for a while. To get the base ready, cut a square on the foam. For that, we will mark a square. Now we are ready with the foam base. Now we are ready to start with the quilling. To quill, we need 5 mm quilling strips in red, white and black color. And the template guides us with quilling. Let's start with this coil. Here the underlined number tells us the number of strips we need for this coil. So here we need 1 strip. Let's make this coil in a jiffy with our super quiller. Now, in the template, we can see the encircled alphabet. So the encircled alphabet tells us in which circle we need to expand the coil. So here it's D. The sticky back strips makes it easy to stick the coil like this. Now we can make all our coils easily in the same way. Now keep pasting the coils on the foam Santa like shown in the template. Here is our Santa complete with quilling. Doesn't he look great? Now all we need to do is make him stand in his base like this. Just pull on Santa's hand and he will give you a surprise. Ta-da! Hope you had fun making your own Santa. Check out our website for more fun projects like this. Merry Christmas and Happy Quilling!